Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about one of the principle involved in reflection of light as well as refraction of light, that is Fermat's principle. According to this principle, light is always in a hurry. It means it finds always the quickest path. To understand this Fermat's principle, let us consider a situation that your friend is at risk in water. To save him, in which direction you would go? Let us assume the position of your friend in water at sea and you are at A. What would be the quickest path to reach your friend? Either along A to B to C or A to C. Usually everybody think that A to D to C is the straight path, that would be the quickest path, like that everybody will expect. But actually A to B to C would become the quickest path. This is actually the reason when you go in a straight path along ADC, you would have to cover more distance in water. I mean D to C. When it is compared to the path along A to B and B to C, the distance that you are supposed to cover in water is BC, which will be shorter than DC. That makes you to reach your friend faster. Though A to B and then to C is the longest distance, but it would become the quickest path. I mean, it would become the, that's why sometimes it is possible shortest path would not be a quickest path. In this situation, A to B to C makes you to reach your friend faster. In the same way, light also changes its direction upon entering from one medium to another medium obliquely. It also finds quickest path instead shortest path. In the same way, when light enters into water along AO, it bends towards normal, that means along OB. Here air is optically rarer, glass is optically denser. Whenever light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards normal. Now let us take the same situation, but the position of your friend at sea in a straight line and also perpendicular to the surface of water, in this situation, to reach your friend, you definitely would follow the path A to C, but not A, B, C, and also not A, D, C. In the same way, light always finds the quickest path. This it makes the light no bending in case of normal incidence. In the same way, when light enters along AB, it would come under along the normal N and N dash. Upon normal incidence, light undergoes no bending.